Hi, I'm Maile Collmer. I'm a business consultant specializing in business development through relationships, and happy holidays. 'Tis the season for referrals, of course, because that's what I love to talk about. Today I want to know from you, what do you wish or want to have? What type of information would you love to receive when you receive a referral? So I had a situation this week where, and this is happening often, I think. Someone sent me a referral. Basically, it was an email introduction. And these email introductions are becoming very commonplace. Would you agree? I think that people are doing it with the right intent. They're like, oh, I got to connect these people and hopefully they can help each other. However, felt like I was left a little bit stranded. So the information was a very quick introduction. It said the person's name and their company name, but it was like a decipherous company name. I had no idea what the company name meant. And there was a little tiny bit of context, but basically it was like, here, go meet each other. And then there was no phone number. Now I understand I could email reply, but for me to start to build a relationship, I want to pick up the phone and call and be able to create a dialogue. It's very hard to create relationship via email. And we're talking about referrals here. So when we're making a connection and making a referral, it's based on relationships. So how can we continue that relationship if we don't have that open dialogue? So for me personally, I would love a little bit of context and to know a little bit more about the person and their business. But really the most important thing that I am looking for is a phone number, after the name. So if I get their name and I get at least a phone number, then I can ask my questions and ask them, what is your business and how long you've been a part of it, and and those types of things. So without that phone number, it's really hard for me to have a dialogue and build a relationship. So when you're giving referrals or making connections, remember, what would you like to receive in a way of information in that connection, and then try and give at that level. See what you could do to make the connection happen. One of my referral team members, he always says that in his experience and a lot of people he talks to, those email introductions, less than 10% actually result in business, whereas a face-to-face, in-person, live introduction has over 90% success rate in leading to business. So if we really want to give a great referral, a great connection, a great introduction, let's see what we could do to make it happen face-to-face. Now I understand the email is so much easier, so make sure you get that phone number in there. If I could say that one more time. Phone number, please. And let's strive to up our game and really see what we could do to personally connect people and have them meeting face to face to really make sure that we have an over 90% success rate in creating business for the person that we're giving that referral to. So I know a lot of people are out there thinking about, how did this year go and what am I doing to look to next year, and the plans that we're making for our business and for the type of business we want. So if you know a business owner who would like to get that better business and want to get those referrals flowing in at a higher level, those are the type of people I love to help, and I have all kinds of ways to help them. But a name and a phone number would be a great way to refer them to me. I'm Maile Collmer. I love helping business owners create that steady stream of business through relationships by way of referral.